Hello student, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is using our time wisely. Okay students, so have you ever heard one phrase that time is money? Do you ever think why we call like this? Why we say that time is money? There is some reason. Time is really precious. Once is gone, it will never come back. Everyone getting 24 hours, but still some people are very wealthy, some people are very successful, and some people are not. Do you ever think what could be the reason behind this? When everyone having the same time in their hand, then why some people are achieving something very extraordinary and some people they are not able to achieve the things? The reason is we are not using our time wisely, isn't it? That's why we call time is money. Once it went, it will not come back. So we have to use our time very wisely. To use the time wisely, what should we have to do? We have to, you have to gain some habits. We have to make some habits. Okay. We should not waste our time. We should not waste our time in some unnecessarily things. Okay, so how we can use our time more wisely? Okay, so we have the answer of this here. You can see one snake ladder game is given. Okay, with the help of this snake ladder game we try to understand how to utilize our time wisely, because time is very precious. Like other things which we think that is precious, more than that, time is precious in our life, and we have to understand the importance of importance of time. The person who understands the importance of time in the life, his life could change. And the person who did not understand, or who don't want to understand the importance of time, that person will destroy, that person will spoil his life. Okay, so now it's on you, student, that what life you want to see. Do you want to utilize your life? Do you want to make your life, or do you want to spoil your life? It's on you. Okay, by seeing this activity you will only come to know that what you have to do to utilize your time wisely. Okay, so let's start our this activity. You see, this here is one snake ladder game. Okay, with the help of this, where the snake is biting, that thing we should not do. Okay, and where we are rising the ladder, that things we have to do in our life to use the time wisely. Okay, so let's see here the first. Okay, after 1 and 2 and 3, this is the third block, and in third block what we have to do, you help your parents clean up the storage cupboard. Okay, if you help your parents to clean up the storage cupboard, then it's a good habit, it's a good way of utilizing time. So if you have this habit, then you will rise the ladder. Okay, see here, you are rising the ladder. Okay, similarly, if then go to the next, what it written here, you take a short nap after a long day at school. Okay, आप स्कूल से आने के बाद आप यू आर इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग अ शॉर्ट नैप, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. Okay, if you are taking a long nap, then it's not good, it's just a waste of time. Okay, similarly, now go to here. If you make a schedule for a day, if you are making a schedule for a day, this is also a good habit. It will the way of utilizing your time. Okay, then next is, you finish all your homework over the weekend. Okay, if you are finishing your homework over the weekend, that then also it's a good habit, you will rise the ladder. Okay, now here you play video games for 3 hours. If you are playing video games for 3 hours, then it's not a good habit. The snake will bite you and you will calm down. What does it mean? What does it mean? If snake is biting and you are calm down, it shows that in your life also, if you will not utilize your time wisely, then life will also take you down. Okay, in your life's game also, you will comes down. Means how much ladder you step up, the same, and if you are making any mistake, then the similarly you will come down at the same speed. Okay, so while using your time, you have to be very wise. Now let's see. Now next is here, what again the bad habit? You try to finish your project the day before the submission date. Many people, many students do the same mistake. Okay, and they get very panic, and they could not complete their project nicely. So do one thing, complete your project before the time. Don't stretch your project till your submission date. So if you having this habit, if you are finishing your project just before your submission date, then it's not a right way to utilize your time. You have to change your habit. Okay, because here snake is biting, it means that this is not a good habit. Okay, so now next, you sleep for 8 hours every night. Okay, if you are sleeping 8 hours every night, then it's a good habit. Now some student might ask me that, how teacher, how it is good, because we are wasting our 8 hours. No, 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 kids, we are not wasting your time. 8 hours is 8 hours sleep is our need, our minds need 8 hours to get relaxed. Okay, if you're having less sleep than this, then you might face some mental problems afterward. Okay, so relaxing your mind is very necessary, and I am talking about the night sleep, not on the day sleep. Okay, in a day you should not sleep. If you are tired and if you think that okay, little nap is needed, then you take, but don't waste your more time in sleeping. Whatever you sleeping time, it is in night. Okay, at night only you have to sleep, you have to take nice relax, and you have to get 8 hours sleep. Okay, so this is also a good habit. And how would you get this much sleep? If you go to bed early. Okay, you should not waste your time in watching TV, watching video games, watching movies, or playing on mobile. You have to go to bed early, so you will get up early and your day will start with a lot of enthusiasm. Okay, so next, what is the bad habit here again? One given, you don't clean your room for a long time. Oh my god, it's really very dusty thing, it's really very dirty thing. Okay, so if you are having this habit, then the snake will again bite you and you will calm down. Okay, the next, you study a little but early every day. Okay, see, this is what very important. As a student, this habit is very important. You study little but every day. It shows that consistency has to be there. It's not like that one day you are studying whole day and next day you are doing nothing, you are just taking rest. After this 2-3 days you are not doing anything, again one day you are studying a lot, and after 2-3 days you are not doing anything. This is not the way. You have to in this way, what will happen? No, you just bothering yourself, or you just tired yourself, and after 2-3 days you will most of the things you will forget also. So what you have to do, you just have to do a little study, but it has to be every day. Okay, if you do little thing every day, it will make a huge difference, and it will make a great achievement to you. Okay, next. Okay, now next is, you make a note of everything you have done that day. This is what a good habit. You have to make a list every day. Okay, that what you have made, what you have done, and similarly in the morning itself you have to make a list that what you have to do throughout the day, and at the evening you have to make a list again that we have done throughout the day, and whatever the leftover work you have to try to complete this in the same day or in next day. Okay, and what is not good for you? You take a nap instead of going to art class. Okay, you having the art class and you are just bunking that class and you are just taking the nap, then it's not a good. Okay, it will take you down. Then next is you learn a new skill in your free time. If you are learning new skill in your free time, this is what the wisely utilizing your time. Okay, the next is you leave all your homework to the last minute. Okay, if you are leaving all your homework to the last minute, means you are doing your homework and at the last minute you are just leaving it and you are sleeping, then it will not work. Okay, this is not a good habit. The next is what is the next is you that is over. Okay, now you go for a run in the park after you finish your work for the day. Okay, if you go for a walk in a park after finishing your work in a day, then it's really a good habit and it will rise up you in your life. Okay, similarly, you waste time scrolling on the internet. If you are wasting your time and scrolling on the internet, then this is also a not a good habit, it's just a waste of time. So here we got a very nice idea about what we have to do and what we should not do. Okay, how we can utilize our time wisely, that whole things are given here. With by playing this snake ladder game, we come to know that when the snake is biting us, that means when we are wasting time, then snake will bite you. Okay, and when you use your time wisely, then you will get a ladder. Okay, so in our life is also the same thing happened. Okay, our life is also like this snake ladder game. Okay, if you use your time wisely, then you will rise up the ladder, but if you waste your time, the snake will bite you and it will take you down in your life. So if you want to make your life beautiful and successful, then you have to use time wisely, because time is very precious. Once it's gone, it will not come again, and that's why we call time is money. So think that time is money and give importance to the time, and make your life beautiful. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you understand, and it's my humble request to you, you just make a list that what things you have to do and what things you should not do. So you will come to know that what things you have to avoid in your life, so that you can utilize your time wisely. Okay, so you understand, people. That's all for this. Bye bye.